Dreame is the Chinese brand gaining momentum in the world of home cleaning. Known for its robot vacuums and mop sweepers packed with innovative technologies, it is now becoming a strong competitor to the giants of the industry. And in 2025, it returns with the highly anticipated model, the Dreame H15 Pro. An all-in-one device that vacuums, washes, self-cleans, and promises to replace not only your traditional vacuum cleaner, but also your mop and even your stain cleaner. In short, a true multitasker that promises to save time and increase efficiency in your cleaning routine. But does it live up to the promise? Are we really dealing with a game changer or just another marketing evolution? That's what we're going to find out right now. And as always, the link is in the description. If you want to see the current price, check customer reviews, or discover the best deals at the moment. Unboxing. It's clear the H15 Pro aims for premium positioning. The design of the device is modern. Modern lines, glossy finish, and well-thought-out ergonomics. Sleek design that catches the eye. But be careful, a glossy finish also means it's prone to marks. Dust, pet hair, and fingerprints appear very quickly, especially on the brush head and the screen. The device comes with the bare minimum: a charging and cleaning base, a small bottle of detergent, a replacement brush, a maintenance tool, and the manual. Dreame opts for efficiency here rather than an abundance of accessories. The H15 Pro weighs 5.8 kilograms when empty, so be prepared to use some muscle for the stairs. Its thermotube station is large, even bulky, so you'll need to allocate a dedicated spot for it in a corner of the house. Another important point is that the clean water tank has been moved to the head of the device, which makes it lighter to handle but less convenient to fill on a daily basis. And note that the H15 Pro drops the LED lighting on the brush, which was present on the H14 Pro, a choice regretted in several tests, especially for cleaning under furniture or in dark areas. As for the technical specifications, the Dreame H15 Pro is thorough. With a suction power of 21,000 pascals, it ranks among the most powerful vacuum cleaners on the market. Its motor runs at 130,000 revolutions per minute and the brush reaches 480 revolutions per minute. It's quite powerful. It offers 3 operating modes: Smart, Turbo, and Suction. Alone, the Smart mode automatically adjusts the suction power and water flow according to the detected dirt. This mode was most often used during tests because it intelligently combines performance and water savings. The H15 Pro is compatible with the DreameHome app, which allows you to customize settings, monitor the status of filters and consumables, and even start a cleaning cycle remotely. But you also need to create an account and connect the device via Wi-Fi, which might bother those who are less tech-savvy. It also features TangleCut technology, a comb-like system that prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, and more importantly, it introduces a retractable robotic arm called gap-free, which lowers an automatic squeegee to dry the floors during backward movements. In practice, the H15 Pro generally performs very well, especially on hard floors. The suction is powerful, the cleaning is even, and the automatic mode handles everything without needing any attention. Tests show that it manages to remove well-dried stains, like ketchup, in just a few passes. However, on carpets, even low-pile ones, the results are more disappointing. The suction-only mode is useful, but the absence of a special turbo mode for carpets is noticeable. In terms of maneuverability, the glide wheel technology is quite helpful. The motorized wheels assist with forward and backward movements. It glides effortlessly on dry floors. But be careful, on wet floors or smooth tiles, the wheels can slip. The robotic arm is a brilliant idea on paper, but in practice, it leaves about 4 centimeters uncleaned at the front. So you need to go over the edges again to clean them. The 180 degrees tilt allows access under furniture at least 14 centimeters high. Note the self-cleaning cycle. It heats the water to 100 degrees to eliminate bacteria and then dries the brush at 85 degrees or 90 degrees. Convenient, but quite noisy. Best to avoid using it in a living area. Compared to the Dreame H14 Pro, released the previous year, the H15 Pro makes progress on several key points. More power, a battery life extended to 60 minutes, a higher self-cleaning temperature, and a smarter squeegee. But it also loses some very useful features. No more LED lighting at the brush head, no more solution tank with automatic dosing, and a thicker brush head, which doesn't fit as well under low furniture. On the other hand, models like the Roborock F25 or the Tinico S6 Stretch offer more compact formats, sometimes with more ergonomic options, for a similar price. In short, the H15 Pro is more powerful, but not necessarily more convenient. The Dreame H15 Pro is a high-end vacuum cleaner, very comprehensive, both powerful, intelligent, and well-designed for frequent use on large surfaces. It is clearly aimed at those who want an all-in-one device capable of ensuring daily cleaning autonomously. Its efficient self-cleaning cycle, suction power, and innovations, such as the retractable squeegee, place it at the top of the range. But you have to be ready to deal with its minor flaws, a significant bulk, ergonomic oversights like the absence of LED lights, and a price that approaches €700. So, if you're looking for efficiency, power, and a true all-in-one solution for a large home, it's clearly a good choice. But if you have limited space or want a more practical and easier-to-handle model, then the H14 Pro or more compact competing models might suit you better. The link is just below if you want to check out the current offers. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts as well. Like the video and, of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product presentations. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao.